Next one is a case statement case. Case statement is, see here, like case condition case condition, when condition 1 full stop, when condition 2, when condition 3, like this, when so on, when others case, when there is no condition, this one, end case. This is a case statement, Nana. This is a case statement. Case statement, what it will do is, first it will check the condition, guys. First it will check the condition. If this condition is matching in with any one of the condition, that this logic, for example, this condition 1, for example, let me give you one example, guys. See, we have weekdays, no? Case weekdays, like I will say week. If I say when it is 1, I want to print as Monday. When it is 2, I want to print as Tuesday. When it is 3, I want to print as Wednesday. When it is 4, I want to print as Thursday. When it is 5, I want to print as Friday. When it is 6, I want to print as Saturday. When it is 7, I want to print as Sunday. When it is other than 7, guys, then I will say others. I will say just others. Here I will give a message like in a week we have only 7 days. In a week, this message I should get, guys. And after this end case, I want to end it here, end case. Simple statement, guys, see, when condition, see, for example, okay, let me write one demo, guys. See, go to here, SC38, jet test, case demo, guys, case demo. Click on create, case demo. I am taking one parameter, guys. Here what I am doing is the same parameter I will give as an input, guys. Case P week, end case. This case I have ended with end case, guys. Here I will write like this: when 1, when 2, when 3, when 4, when 5, when 6, when 7. In a week we have 7 days now. If you try to give when others, other than this, like this. See, Nana, I have given like this. Means based on my input, I will say this is my input, case 1. This is, I will say, write, this is Monday. In the same way, let me write this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday. when the value is other than 7, Nana, when the value is other than 7, when the value is other than 7, then I will click on write. Here I will give a message, right? Please note, in a week we have 7 days only. Please enter value between 1 to 7. 1 to 7. This is my demo. See how easy it is. See guys, how easy. Anyone in doubt? See, let me give you an example. I will give 8 guys. I'm giving 8. 8. See, straight away it will go to, straight away we will get that message guys. Please note, in the week we have 7 days only. Please enter the value between 1 to 7. Okay. I will give 3 guys. I will give 3. See, this is Wednesday, because in 3 we have Wednesday, Nana. In 3 we have Wednesday. In 3 this is Wednesday. This is a case statement. Anyone any doubts in this case statement and syntax? See, when no condition is matching, it will go for others case. It will go for others. It's your choice whether you can remove these others also. It's not a problem if you can remove these others also. See, but you will not get any output guys. If you give 8 now, you will not get any output. You will not get any output. Like this. Anyone any doubts?
No, okay. No.
Girls, any doubts? Can I move forward?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Noted.
you can try with months guys. You can try with the months as a demo, as a practice. Go with the months, okay? Give some number and go with something, okay? And yeah, this one mainly, this case statement we will see in in the module pool, mainly in the module pool. We will see mainly in the module pool. Once we are discussing module pool, every day we will write case statement. Every day we will write case statement. Okay, next one is if condition, Nana. If condition. If condition. If condition. Generally we have different types of ifs. Okay, first one is general if condition. If condition, logic, and if. Means if this is matching, it will print. This logic will get executed. If it is not matching, it will go out. This is simple if, Nana. This is simple if. Then we have one more if. If condition, if it is matching, if it is true, Nana. If it is true, or else this logic, FALSE, false logic will get executed. And if. See, if this, in this case no, in this case no. If this condition is matching, if this condition is correct, then this logic will work, Nana. This logic will get executed. If this condition is wrong, this logic will not work. This if statement will get skipped. The complete if statement will get skipped if the condition is false. In the same way, in this case, no, in this case, if this condition is matching, this logic will get executed. If this condition is not matching, it will go to else part. If it is a boy, this is okay. If it is a girl, no, it will come to else part. If it is a girl, it will go to this. If it is a boy, it will come to this. Means if it is true, true logic. If it is false, then false logic. Okay, two logics we have, Nana. Two logics. This is a positive case, this is a failure case. Plan A and plan B, like that. This is a simple if, Nana. This is a simple if. This is if else. If else. Understand the difference, okay? If this condition is matching, this statement will get executed. If it is not matching, this complete if statement will get skipped. In the same way, in this example, Nana, if this condition is true, then this true logic will get executed. If it is false, it will go to this false code. It will not execute this logic. In the same way, we have else if ladder. Else if ladder. Simple only. You see, if condition, this condition 1, logic. Else if condition 2, logic. Else if condition 3, logic. Else if condition 4, logic, like this. So on, end if. This is one type of else if, guys. Means we can have n number of conditions. Wherever it is matching no, this condition will get triggered. If this condition is matching, this condition will get triggered. Then after this condition is matching means it will not go. See, it will not check this condition race. If it is matching, after execution of this, it will come outside, guys. Guys, are we clear with the concept? Can we go for a demo?
Yeah, Krish.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. My requirement is, guys, I want to print a even numbers, guys. Even numbers. My requirement number 1, guys. My first requirement. I want to print even numbers. You know even numbers? What are even numbers, Nana? What are even numbers? Anyone?
2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah,
Okay.
excellent. The number, see, the number which is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means what is that number? See, for example, I will write like this: 2 divided by 10. 2 divided by 10. 2 5s are nana. It will become 10. Remainder will be how much? Nana? 0. Remainder will be 0. Means if any number which remainder is 0 when it is divided by 2, then it is a even number. Nana. Okay. Clear? You take any number, guys. You take any number. I will take 100. 100 is a even number or odd number? 100 is a even number or odd number? Anyone in the class? 100 is a even number or odd number?
Even.
Even number. 250s, guys. 250s is equals to how much? 250s is equals to 100, Nana. 250s is equals to 100. Then remainder is even. Then remainder is 0. Then it is a even number. Then it is a even number. Okay? Then it is a even number. If I say 2 divided by 101. 2 divided by 101. This is a even number or odd number? Go on mute. Now you say me, guys, this is a even number or odd number?
Odd number.
Excellent. 250 is 100. Remainder is 1. So it is an odd number. Remainder has to be always 0 when it is divisible by 100. When it is divisible by some value, the remainder has to be always 0. If it is 0, then it is a even number. This remainder has to be 0, Nana. If it is other than 0, it's not a even number. If it is other than 0, it's not a odd number. That is my requirement, guys. That is my requirement. See how I am going to write the logic. You see how I am going to write the logic. Test even and even demo. Listen carefully, guys. Even numbers and odd numbers. No, first what I will do, I will write p value, guys. P input. P type integer. Means why I am declaring this one? See, I have told you I want to print even numbers. How many even numbers I want to print? If I say 100, I want to print till 100 numbers. Till 100, how many even numbers are there? If I say 50, from 1 to 50, how many even numbers are there? If I say 200, from 1 to 200, how many even numbers are there? I want that one. To get that, I have taken one input, guys. I have taken one input value. Now this input, what I am doing is, I am doing iteration. P input times P input times end loop. This iteration will run for how many times, Nana? This loop will run for how many times?
N number of
Yeah,
times.
our input times. If I am saying 100, this loop will run for 100 times. Correct? Now we have one system
What
field.
is
Now what is
this?
the system field? Psi index. Psi index,
Agnivich?
every time what will happen, Nana? Psi index, every time what will happen? It will be keep on looping. 1, 2, 3. The number will be incremented like an index number. So what I will do, I will take one, reminder value type integer. One reminder, one dummy value I am taking, guys. One dummy value I am taking. Why I am taking?
Agnivich, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I have a doubt.
Yeah,
Is there any end loop for this do?
yeah. Here we have end
I
loop.
mean, I mean not that. Can we do like more than 100, like 1,000 times?
Yeah, we can do.
Okay, the number goes on. There is no stop.
Yeah, no stop. Oh, no, 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 no.
Okay.
See, if you say 5, it will loop only 5 times. That's it.
If I give 2,000,
Yeah, it will drop. It will run. It will run for 2000 times.
okay.
You want to see? Psi index, okay? Execute. See, give you 5000. Okay? See, you can scroll down. Clear?
Oh, it was
Yes,
not coming
Agnivich.
as a this one, right? Even, okay, okay. The logic was not written. Okay.
Logic, no, no, no. She told I want to give a number of times, okay?
Oh,
Okay? Okay, fine. Now, I am taking one variable, Nana. I am taking one variable, reminder, one small variable, because here what I will do is, reminder is equals to my psi index mod of 2, guys, mod of 2. Okay, this is the logic, Nana. This is the small logic. Means my psi index value will be what? How much? Every time it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means based on this loop, my psi index value will be keep on incrementing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that like that. So whenever that is incremented, I am checking with the mod of 2, guys. If it is reminder is equals to 2, if I write like this, if my reminder is equals to 0, if my reminder is equal, wherever my reminder value is equals to 0, then I am writing like this, and if write psi index, this value, same value, psi index, wherever my value is 0, then I want to print this one, see how easy it is. Let me execute, let me give 2000, guys, let me give 2000. See, for all 2000 values, see all even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You check, you can check, case, you can check, go down. See, all are even numbers which are divisible by 2. Any number you take, any number you take. See, any number you take. Can we debug this one? Can I explain you in the debugging or? Okay, let me put a breakpoint, guys. Let me put a breakpoint here. Execute, execute. To debugging, I will take 5, guys. I will taking 5. Means I want to print my even numbers in between 1 to 5, guys. 1 to 5. See, click on execute. Click on execute, Nana. What is, how many times this loop will run? How many times this loop will run?
5 times.
5 times. Okay, good. Now what will be the value of psi index? What is the value of the psi index if I go for the first time? Psi index value is 1, Nana. Psi index value is 1.
Mm.
Now you say me 1 mod of 2. The value will be how much? See, the value is like this, 2 mod of 1 like this. Is it equals to 0?
No.
No. Now see, the remainder value will be how much, Nana? Remainder value will be 1. See, remainder value is C. Remainder value is also 1. It is not divisible, right? It is not divisible. Now you check. Now you check. Remainder is equals to 0. Is remainder value is equals to 0? No. Remainder value
No.
is 1, Nana. Remainder value is 1. So will this right statement will get executed? Yes or no?
No, no.
No. See, this statement will get skipped. See, this statement got skipped. Now again I am going to top. Now again I am going to top. Now psi index value how much, Nana? 2. Now you say me 2 mod of 2. 2 mod of 2 how much, Nana? 2 mod of 2 will be how much?
It's zero reminder.
0.
2 mod of 2. 2 ones are, Nana. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. You remember arithmetic operations? We discussed arithmetic operations.
Yes.
Yeah, see, 2 mod of 2 will become 0, Nana. 0. See, 2 mod of 2, remainder is 0, Nana. Remainder is 0. Now you say me, remainder is equals to 0. This condition is matching.
Yes.
Condition is matching, na? Then it will go inside or not?
It will go.
It will go. Okay, see. Now what we are doing, whatever the psi index value is there, see, psi index value is 2. So I am printing psi index value. So printed. Now again I am going, guys. Psi index value is 3. 3 is a even number or odd number? Is the mod will become 0? Yes or no?
No.
No. See, it is 1. So will this if statement will get executed? Will this if statement will get executed? Yes or no?
No.
No. So it will get skipped. It will get skipped. Okay, in the same way. Now fourth, iteration number 4, Nana. See, 2 mod of 4. Okay, see, it is psi index value is 0. Will it get printed or not? Condition is satisfied. See, condition is satisfied. This is the iteration, Nana. Like this, 2 and 4. If I give 10, same situation. If I give 10, if I give 20, the same logic will be iterating. The same logic will get iterating. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Anyone, any doubts in this logic, Nana?
Agnesh, one question to you.
Yeah, please.
You have put the do there, right?
Yeah.
After the data, can you just explain that data reminder type I, right? That is reminder, right?
Yeah.
No, on top, just after the parameters, first is the key in, next data, that one. I mean line 11.
Yeah. This I am taking as a temporary variable. Temporary variable to store my remainder value.
Okay.
To store,
This is your temporary variable.
yeah, to store some, or otherwise, no, or otherwise, you can try like this. You can try like this. If psi index, I don't know whether it will accept or not, but we'll try mod of 2. Mod of 2 is equals to point here. Like this. You can put like this. You can put like this. Try, let me try. Yeah, you can put like this also. See, you can try, you can directly straight away write like this. You can straight away write like this also. Means this value, whatever the value, no, this bracket value is equals to this 0 also. Let me try to activate. Yeah, now you see, I'll give 15. See, like this also you can write now. This is a one more syntax. Like this also we can write. Whatever the value we are getting in the bracket in this is equals to 0. If it is matching, it's fine. If this is not comfortable, you can do like this. You can take a one temporary variable. You can take one temporary variable. On this you can do like this.
No. I was referring to the keyword do. Do means so many times. Your key in your for this variable types, right?
Yeah. Means this one, Nana. This one parameter means whatever the value you are entering, no.
Yeah.
Based on this many times the loop will run. Based on this many times the loop will run.
Okay.
Okay. Now my next requirement is guys, you know, I want to get a message whether it is a even number or odd number. Whether it's a even number or odd number. See, what I will do is the same demo. See, same demo. I will write like this. Same demo 2. Demo 2 nana. In the demo 2, what I will write? I am writing like this. See, do p input. P input times. And do. Okay, let me write this logic now. Let me write this logic. Okay, no need to declare anything. If this condition is matching, else and if. See, if this condition is matching, then it is a even number, nana. Then it is a even number. I will write like this: write, comma, psi index, comma. I'll write like this: even. If the same it goes to else part, I will write as an odd number. Odd, even and odd. See, if this condition is matching, it is even number. If this, guys, if you are not comfortable with this, always remember the spaces, guys. Okay. If you are not comfortable with this, you can write this extra logic. You can declare one local variable, and we can assign to this local variable. We can compare like this, or otherwise you can directly write like this also. Means what will happen? This bracket logic, whatever the logic is there in the bracket, will get calculated, and it will be equals to this 0. It is comparing like that. Now you see, I am writing 10 now. I am writing 10. See, I'll get 1 to 10. See, 1 is a odd number, 2 is a even number, 3 is a odd number, 4 is a even number, 5 like this. Like this I am getting. Even and odd like this. Okay, space. Like this you can give n number of variables, guys. N number of variables. I will give 200. I will give 200. See, 1 is a even, odd. Sorry, 1 is a odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Up to how many we will get? Up to 200 nano. Up to 200 we will get. Do I need to explain this logic, or you guys are clear with this logic? Do you want me to show in the debugging mode? Yes, no? Okay, let me show you in the debugging mode. Let me put a breakpoint here after activating your program. No, just to put a breakpoint here. Execute. See, just execute. Here you give 5. Here you give 10, guys. Here you give 10. Execute. This loop will run for how many times, Nana? This loop will run for how many times? 10 times. Now first psi index value is how much, Nana? First iteration, Nana. Psi index value is 1. Is 1 mod of 2 is equals to 0? Yes or no? 1 value is divisible by 2, guys. No, right? No. So this if statement will fail, Nana. When this condition is failing, it has to go to which statement? Else statement. When this statement is failing, it will go to else statement. So the psi index value, comma, odd. It will come to odd. Like this. Now second one. Psi index value is 2. Now you see 2 mod of 2, Nana. 2 mod of 2. 2 mod of 2. It is how much? 0. So this condition will match. This condition is satisfied. Then it is going to if this part. If this condition is matching, it will go to this. And it will not go to else, Nana. It will not go to else. See? It will not go to else. Straight away coming out. See, third iteration. Fourth iteration. See, fourth iteration. This is equals to 0. So it will go to if statement. See, if statement. Now next one is a 5, Nana. Psi index value is 5. See, psi index value is 5. 5 is divisible by 2? No. So it will go to else part. So it will go to else part. See, else part. It is going to else part like this. So on. See, even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd. Anyone? Any doubts? Hello.
If I need to get only 200 is an even number, then I should remove the psi index, right?
What? Come again. Come again. Question not clear.
If you now we are practicing 10 till 10, it will get odd, even. Now I should get only 10 is an even number.
Only 10 is a even number you want to get.
Yeah,
Then you remove this.
psi index, right?
1 second. Let me comment this. See, demo number 3. Demo 3. Okay, demo 3. See, the requirement is, guys, the requirement is based on my value, based on my input, I want to know whether it's a even number or odd number. Then what I will write, I will straight away write like this. I will straight away write like this. See, straight away I will write like this. Here I will write, instead of p index, I index, no, I will write p index, p input. I will check my input, guys. Whatever the value I am entering now, I will check. If it is matching, what I will say, p input, comma, even number, else right, is odd number. Anything is fine. Like this also you can write. See, you give 100, guys. You give 100. 100 is a even number or odd number?
It's an even.
See, it's going to even. See, p is divisible mod of 2. It is going to even number. See, I am printing even number. See, even number. Means based on your input also. 101. 101 is not a even number, Nana. 101 is not a even number. It's a odd number. It's a odd number. See, odd number. Like this. I will write 105. 105 is a even number or odd number? Odd number. This is also fine. You can enter the out. You can enter the input, and you can check whether the input is even number or odd number, or you can do multiple iterations with the help of do statement. With the help of psi index number, you can calculate and you can get a list of even numbers and odd numbers. I have given you 3 demos. See, why I have given this second demo? Second demo is this if statement, Nana. This logic. And here we have added in the else part also odd. This is a different one. Are we guys clear?
Yeah, Gus.
Yeah. Okay. And you know factorial number, Nana. You know factorial number. Factorial number means like this. If I give 5 in the input, if I give 5, it has to be like this: 5 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. How much, Nana? This number is how much? CALC calic. CALC.
120.
Yeah, good. 120, Nana. It's 120. It's a 120. Like this. Means whatever the number I am giving, if I say 7, it has to print like this: 1 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7, like this. This is a factorial number. Okay, can we try this example? Anna? Can we try this example? It's very easy. Very easy. See, let me go back. Factorial demo. In the factorial demo, you see, very easy, Nana. Just to think. I want to give one number, Nana. So I want to give one number. So what I will say, parameter p underscore input. Input integer. Type integer. Now what I will say, p integer, p input times p input times n2. Okay, p input n2. Now what I want to do, I want to take one value, guys. I want to take one value, data result. Type one integer, one input, res result. Type one integer. Now this result, what I will do, result is equals to what value I want is, for first iteration is 1 nano. Next iteration is how much? 2. Next iteration into, see, res into psi index. See, first iteration 1 into 1, 0 into 1, how much, Nana? 1. Sorry, 1 into 1, 1. Next iteration 1 into 2, it will become 2. Next iteration 2 into 3 will become 6. 6 into 4, Nana? 24. 24 into 5, how much? Okay, let me show you the output. Wait, the factorial of 5 is res 6. Okay, see, and outside the loop I am printing now. Outside the loop I am printing outside the loop. Here I will say default res is equals to 1. First value I am putting as a 1, I guess. Okay, see, I will put value as 5. Say I am putting value as 5. See, I'll get as 120. I am getting 120. Let me put a breakpoint and show you, guys. Let me put a breakpoint and show you. See, I am getting 5, guys. I am putting 5 here. Now I am going inside. The result value is how much, Nana? 1. Okay. Now you see, psi index value is also 1, Nana. Psi index value is also 1. 1 into 1, how much? 1 into 1, how much? 1 into 1, how much? 1 into 1, how much, Nana? 1 into 1, how much? 1 into 1, how
1 1
much? 1 only, no?
1 1.
1.
Yeah.
So 1. Now result is having 1, Nana. Now result is having 1. Now I am going for second iteration. Psi index value is how much? 2. 2 into 1, how much? See, 1 into 2, how much, Nana? 1 into 2, how much?
2.
2. Okay. Now result is having 2, Nana. Result is also having 2. Now psi index value is how much, Nana? Psi index value is 3. Now 2 into result I have already 2. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 value is 6. 2 into 3 the value is 6. Result is having 6, Nana. 6. Now again I am going for fourth iteration. Now 4 into 6, Nana. 4 into 6, how much? 4 into 6. See, 24. Now I am going for fifth iteration. See, 5 into 24, Nana. 5 into 24. See, 120. See, 120. Like this. See, 120 I am getting printed. If I give 6 here, I will get some 700 something. See, 720. I am getting 720, like that. Hope this logic is clear. Factorial logic, Nana. Factorial logic.
Oh, I see. Gunesh.
Okay. Everyone is clear. I am hearing only one voice.
Yes, Agnivesh.
Okay. Yeah. Fine, guys. I'll break
Yes.
class for today. In tomorrow's class, we will see some more demos. Some more, some more logics. We will see some more logics on like this. Some sample programs to make you comfortable with the program. See, here my intention is, guys, you have to think. One more thing. Why I have given R is equals to 1. Default value is 0, Nana. Default res value is 0. See, default res value is 0. 0 multiple by 0 will be how much, Nana? Always 0. 0 will be always, see, default value is 0, Nana. Res default value is 0. If you declare res value, it will be 0. That is the reason I wantedly made it as 1. Res is equals to 1. Now, if you understood, no? 0 multiple of 0 will 0 multiple of anything will be 0, guys. 0 multiple of anything, any big number is also 0. So res result, if you declare any variable like this, the default value is 0 now. So wantedly I made it as 1. Now 1 is 1 into 1 will become 1. 1 into anything will become that value, multiple value. Okay, yeah, fine guys, I'll break class for today. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will see some more examples that will be very nice. Okay, nice thinking, logical thinking. Okay, you will enjoy tomorrow's class. Okay, yeah, thanks guys, thanks for joining. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow guys. Bye everyone. Guys, I have shared you the notes. Okay, please find out the notes.